Good afternoon. This is an international language testing system, and this is examiner Kamal, and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number M0041308. My full name is Kamal. What is your name?
My full name is Arshdeep Singh.
Arshdeep, how may I address you?
You may address me my first name Arsh.
Arsh, where do you come from?
I'm from Ludhiana, which is situated in Punjab.
Tell me something interesting about your hometown.
In my hometown, there is a lot of beautiful places like Rakbag and Rakbag.
Okay, do you believe your hometown is well connected with other cities?
Yes, there are many cities like Flor.
Why do you like your hometown?
In my hometown, there is a lot of facilities are available. Like in my hometown, there is a large number of hospitals, schools, and
Is it a small town or big town?
it is a biggest town because it is in my city. There are large number of population live.
What is the one thing you don't like about your hometown?
There is no thing about my hometown that like me because in my hometown there is not wide range of facilities are available. So
Okay, let's talk about your name. Does your name have any special or specific meaning?
yes, it is specific meaning. It means that Ash is it's like a sky
Why your name is important to you?
because it gives to my mother, and this is the reason for me.
Do you think your name is common in your country?
Yes, it is a very common name in my city because according to me,
Do you think there is a difference between a common name and unique name?
yes, there is a difference between common name. Common name is like a Ram Sham, and unique name is like a English word John.
Do you think nowadays mostly Indian name based on their traditional culture?
Yes, mostly. So please.
Do you believe nowadays mostly Indian names are based on their traditions and culture?
Yes, yes. Nowadays, the name of the people based on their culture because because
How? Explain.
like Punjabi gives to name her own culture like they give like
Okay, let's talk about shopping. Do you go for shopping?
yes, in weekends I will go my friends with shopping for shopping
Why shopping is your favorite hobby?
because shopping is very trending in my hometown, so I like.
Do men and women like to buy same kind of things during shopping?
No man and woman cannot buy same choice of things
How?
because they think different, and their color choices are also different.
What is your favorite shop for shopping or place for shopping?
My favorite shop for shopping is the More because in More store there are a lot of things like kitchen.
What kind of
kitchen
things you like to buy from your shopping place?
Mostly I like clothes to buy from shopping because clothes is very because I like different type of clothes.
Okay, that's all for the first section. Now it's time to discuss the second part of the IELTS speaking test. In this section, you will be given one cue card, and on this topic, you will have on 1 minute for notes and preparation. If you want to make some notes, and we have one paper and a pencil on the table. Now, I'm going to represent your cue card, and the topic is number 28. And this is your cue card, and your time start now. Okay, could you please start now?
Yes. In my country there are a large number of cities see, but Amritsar is a very crowded city because in Amritsar there is a lot of clothes shops are seen. It is a main reason for crowding. But also one reason I include that in Amritsar there is a famous temple of Punjabis, which is called Golden Temple. It is called Golden Temple. Few months ago, I will go with my friend in Amritsar. There are with my friend Amritsar. In 7 o'clock I will arrive to my home, and 10 o'clock I will reach. Then I reach, I see that there is a large number of crowd in the Golden Temple market, because in weekends people would visit large amount, and they were shopping. I feel in one hand I feel very happy, and because
Okay, that's all for the second section. Now it's time to discuss next part of the IELTS speaking test, that is follow-up discussion. In this section, I'm going to ask you a question about third section related to cue card. My first question is, why do a lot of people enjoy going to crowded places?
Because many people of my country enjoy the going to crowded places because they can enjoy a lot of they can enjoy that place, because in crowd they can.
Do you like to visit to crowded places occasionally or normally?
No, I cannot. I would not like to go crowded, because in crowded places we can fear. We can fear because there is a lot of thieves. There are a lot of thieves in the crowded place.
My next question is, would you say it's important for a city to have amusement facilities?
Yes, in my city, so
why do you think it's important?
it is important because by visit.
Okay, why do you think people choose to live in big cities?
Because in big cities they cannot face any problem related to their times, because the mainly offices are available in the city, so people can prefer to nearest.
Okay, do you think overseas cities are different from your country?
Yes, it is very different for my city, because in overseas city there is a lot of lot of crowds, and
Okay, where would you say is the most crowded place in your area?
my most crowd is my back of my house, which is named Shastinagar Market. In my market, there is a clothes market. It is a big reason for crowd.
Okay, that's all for the third section, Harsh. You can leave now. Thank you.